So as you grow your presence on social media, just like what you have seen me here, I've hit this 1 million views and I'm still pushing further. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you one of the commonest problems you are going to be facing. Yes, it's a very big problem, but yes, every growth comes with its own problems. This is why you see people charge people money to solve some of the problems that you see on the internet space. And one of the commonest problem is replying to messages and comments. Let me show you a good example. If I come here, you see I'm having 400 and something messages, conversation and interaction. You can see. Let me come to this page first. You see this particular post on a particular platform. Let me scroll up so that you see it has about 3,500 comments. Now tell me, how will the owner of this platform reply to all these comments? You can see some of these comments have not been attended to. How can I join? See, so this person is even an advert self, but it's unfortunate that this person is not replying to this comment because these things can be overwhelming. So how do you handle this kind of problem? Let me go to show you from my own end too. You can see I'm having 8 comments pending. If I come here to my inbox, you see I've been able to reply to a couple of them, and I'm having one here now. There's one I wanted to show you guys, but I'm coming. Let me attend to this one first. I will go to use this one as an example. This person say hello. Whenever somebody says hello to me, this response gets automated immediately. So you need to learn how to automate responses. That is why you hear AI automation. AI automation. It's not about monetization alone. It's about replying to people's comments and giving them how you want them to solve certain problem or contact you before you come online. Sometimes you might not be online on Facebook and you will be attending to other things. This is why you begin to hear people talk about social media management, work from home and the rest of them, where people get paid to manage social media accounts. So this skill is very, very important for you to learn, irrespective of your Facebook account level. So when you see this response, it came back immediately to the person and it says manage automation. That means this is an automated response that I created. I'm going to show you how I created this. Now, the first thing you need to do is, once you go to your Facebook account, you need to go to the business side of Facebook. This shouldn't be new. Let me see, business.facebook.com, then your inbox. On this part of your inbox, you see this point that says automation. Once you click it, it will bring you to this particular page. Now this is where your automation is going to be managed. You are going to set up responses based on some particular keywords that people mention in that particular comment or messages that they send to you. This is it. They say this is, if you want a message to be replied whenever you are away, then you pick this one. If you want to identify an unanswered message, this is it. If you want about contact information, this is it. If you want to reply to messages asking for your hour, that means the person want to book an appointment, this is it. So let me go further. You can see these are some samples of the ones I've done. Now we are going to create a simple one now as an example for you. So you can either pick from any of these ones here, or you can pick from this. Now how do you set up these things? Before we go in, I'm going to show you something very common here. If I come to this very particular post, let's see, for example, let me scroll up so that you see it. You see this person say count me in, this one say how can I contact you. So you are going to set up a response for this count me in. Whenever somebody mentions this particular keyword, you might set up a response that will direct him to either your contact or to where you want that person to take this particular action. This one, how can I contact you, you might set up a response that will give the person your contact information or your WhatsApp link or your WhatsApp, Facebook, or wherever you want him to, he or she to go. So let's continue. As you can see, how can I join? Keywords like this, how can I join? You can use can I join or can join. Contact you, this is going to be your keyword in your response when you're setting up your automation. Count me in, these are going to be keywords to your response. So in this case, I want this to contact you. Now I'm going to pick this, contact you. I'm going to use this as an example. I will now copy this. I'll come to the automation here. I can click here or click here, but in my own case, I want to create a fresh one. Let me click create automation. Now let me come down. It has given me available option to pick. Frequently asked questions, contact information. So our keyword, so custom keyword, my target is custom keyword. I want to pick this custom keyword. I've picked it. I'll come to create automation. Now it has asked me to create automation. Now says contact you. Pick it. And now come down. I want this response to be on where and where channel where you would like this to be used. I'll pick Messenger and Instagram too, because sometimes some people can come from Instagram. So contact you. I've turned it on. Make sure it is turned on. If it is not turned on, people will not get the response that you want them. I'll now say, they said add up to 5 keywords or phrases. In one case, contact you. This is it. This is the keyword I want, irrespective of whatsoever the person type. But once he mention contact you, I'll put it. Now I've selected one. You can put as many as you can, but me, I want it to be very, very specific. I don't want to have so much. I can put how can I contact you. Let me add how can I contact you too. Let me go there. Use this. I'm using this as a case study now. Let me copy this again. Go to the automation part. I'll add it. How can I contact you? Let me go there again. I'm going to pick another sample. Let me see. I want to learn. How can I contact you? How can I contact you? Okay, let's stop there. So I've put how can I contact you, where I can put I want to learn. I want to learn. Now I've set it up. Now these things are ready. Now the next thing I will do is I'll come down here. They said automate response I send instantly when incoming messaging contain exact keyword, and and the chat is inactive for at least 15 minutes. That means within 15 minutes this person will get this response. Now I'm going to save the response. In my own case, I don't like giving people my contact directly, so I have a WhatsApp automated response, the WhatsApp link I have already created. All I have to do is I'll deliver the WhatsApp link to the person. Come down here. I've written the messages already. I'll now say please chat me on WhatsApp. Please chat me on WhatsApp through this link. Please chat me on WhatsApp now. Now there are situations where sometimes you want it to be in the form of a button. You can click add button. If you put add button, you will see I will say chat now. This is what the person is going to see, and then I'll paste this link here. So I'm also leaving the link here in the event there are some people that they don't pay attention. So anyhow you will still see this button, chat now, and then this. So I'm adding a button now. Now I've put everything. I can add some other feature, add images or video file for your automation. I will not do that. I don't want it to look complicated. So all I want is the button. So sorry, we have already added it. So we are going to remove. So we are done with this. The next thing I'll do is I'll click save changes. So I'll remove save changes. Now it's going to be saved. Now it has been saved. So our automation rule has been created. So let's see. It's going to be part of this list. Let's see, contact. It should be here. Now at this level, we have created our automated response. So whenever somebody chat us and requests for anything, the response will come like this. Then you see it under, you will see indication. Maybe in the event you want to change. If I want to change this, I'll just click this again. Just watch what will happen. It will take me to the automated message again. So now it brought me to the list of my automated messages feature that I'm having here. If I come down, you see all of them. Anyone I don't want, I want to make adjustment, I can come here, search for it and edit it. So you can see them. These are all the available ones I have. So that is how you run automated responses on social media. The advantage of this is it's going to send you, it's going to set you a whole lot of, let me see, this one says WhatsApp. Let me click here, click edit. So let's see, I say WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp. This is the name WhatsApp. Let me come down so that I see. This is one of them that I created. So whenever somebody mentions this keyword WhatsApp, you see this response will be sent to the person where the person will click. So now I think there's a little error here. I want to edit it. Let me point the arrow to the right hand side. I'll come down here. So this is it. You see, when I click the correction, you see it gives me two options. The person is going to get this as a private message and is going to get it as a comment section, under comment section. I can decide to put two different messages. Different message will be on the comment section and different one will be on the inbox. So in this case, these are the two responses this person will get. Once you mention WhatsApp, you will get this link and this replies. Then click save. Our automation is fully loaded. Everything is okay. So I don't need to worry myself again whenever somebody is asking for my contact. The person will get this response automatically within the few couple of minutes. Let me show you an example of one of the response.